Hey everyone! Welcome back to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best NVIDIA Control Panel settings for Adobe After Effects 2024. With these optimized settings, you'll see improved rendering times, smoother previews, and an overall boost in performance. So let's get started. Why optimize your NVIDIA Control Panel settings for After Effects? Before we get into the settings, you might wonder why even bother with these adjustments. Can't the default settings handle everything? The truth is, while the default NVIDIA settings are designed to work universally, they don't specifically cater to the unique demands of creative software like Adobe After Effects. By customizing the settings, we're optimizing your GPU to prioritize speed, smoothness, and stability in After Effects, giving you faster renders, smoother previews, and an overall better editing experience. These adjustments make a noticeable difference, especially in projects with complex compositions and effects. So let's dive in and make the most out of your GPU for After Effects. Update your NVIDIA drivers. First, we need to make sure our NVIDIA drivers are up to date. The latest studio drivers offer better performance for creative applications, including After Effects. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Click on the Start menu. Type NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you don't have it installed, check the link in the description to download it. Check for updates. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If an update is available, select Download and install the latest studio driver. Studio drivers are specifically optimized for creative software like After Effects. Once you're on the latest driver, we can move on to the NVIDIA Control Panel. Access NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Configure Physics Settings. In the left panel, click on Configure Surround Physics. Under Physics Settings, set the processor to your NVIDIA GPU. This ensures your GPU is used for After Effects processing instead of the CPU. Click Apply. Adjust Image Settings with Preview and navigate to Image Settings. In the left panel, select Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Use Advanced 3D Image Settings. Click Apply. With this option selected, we're ready to configure the specific 3D settings for After Effects. Manage 3D settings for After Effects. Go to Manage 3D Settings. In the left panel, click on Manage 3D Settings. Select Program Settings. Click on the Program Settings tab. Click Add and find Adobe After Effects AfterEffects.exe from the list. If After Effects isn't listed, you can click Browse and navigate to the After Effects executable file, typically located here. Clicking C Program Files Adobe After Effects 2024 Support Files AfterEffects.exe. Configure 3D settings for After Effects. Here are the best NVIDIA Control Panel settings for Adobe After Effects 2024. Anisotropic filtering. Now set this to 8x. Higher settings like 16x can slow down performance, so 8x offers a good balance. Anti-aliasing mode. Set this to override any application setting. Adjust the anti-aliasing setting to 8x for smoother edges, which is especially useful if you work with detailed visual elements. Anti-aliasing transparency. Now set to 4x supersample. This option provides smooth visuals without a large performance hit. If you have a powerful GPU and need even better visuals, try 8x supersample. However, keep in mind that 8x may reduce performance slightly. Background application max frame rate. Turn this on and max it out, usually around 200 FPS. CUDA GPUs. Select your dedicated NVIDIA GPU. Avoid using auto-select or the CPU. OpenGL rendering GPU. Set this to your NVIDIA GPU to ensure it's used for rendering. Power management mode. Choose Prefer maximum performance to keep your GPU running at full capacity. And texture filtering quality. Set this to high performance to prioritize speed. Texture filtering negative load bias. Set this to clamp. Texture filtering trilinear optimization. Turn this on to improve rendering performance. Threaded optimization. Set this to on to enable multi-threading support, which After Effects can benefit from. Triple buffering. Turn this on. This can reduce stuttering and improve smoothness. Vertical sync v-sync. Use 3D application settings. Virtual reality. Pre-rendered frames. Set this to 1. Vulkan OpenGL present method. Choose Prefer layered on DXGI swap chain for optimal compatibility. Once all these settings are configured, click Apply in the bottom right corner to save your changes. Optimize After Effects settings. Now, let's adjust a few settings inside After Effects. Open Adobe After Effects and go to File, Project Settings. Under the Video Rendering and Effects tab, set the Render Endure to Mercury GPU Acceleration CUDA. This will help After Effects utilize your GPU during rendering. Click Oklahoma to save. Memory Performance Settings. Go to Edit Preferences Memory Performance. RAM reserved for other applications. Set this to a lower amount, example 3 GB, if you have 16 GB total. To leave more RAM available for After Effects. Enable multi-frame rendering. Check this to speed up rendering by using multiple CPU cores. Click OK. Media Disk Cache. Go to Edit, Preferences Media and Disk Cache. Enable Disk Cache and set the maximum size to around 50 GB or higher, depending on your storage capacity. This allows After Effects to store frames on disk, reducing preview times. And there you have it. With these NVIDIA Control Panel settings and After Effects tweaks, you should see a noticeable improvement in performance, smoother previews, and faster rendering times. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Flux for more tech tutorials and tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.